So there are a few tips and tricks I would like to share regarding managing a project space. It's pretty straightforward. It's very much like the home page. All of the tools are the same. Um, Down here at the bottom, one option I haven't mentioned in any of the screencasts so far is this little closed eye. So right now, this particular piece of text is actually private, and so if I want to make it public so that other members of the global community could see it, I would just click on it. It turns into an open eye. So it's that simple to change the privacy settings, and you can do that for every single thing that you add to your page. So you could actually have some things on here that are not public and some things that are public. You can also delete and edit. Another feature I haven't talked about is it is also possible to move this to somewhere else in the project, or in fact somewhere else on any of your pages at all. So what I could move it back to page 1 or page 2, or I could move it to my own personal website. What I'm just going to do is move it to page 2. Now if I move it, it's going to disappear from page 1. So if that's what I want to do, I can do that. Just this summer, they also added the feature where you click on Move a Copy and click on page 2. And now what I've actually done is I've put a copy of that piece of text on the 2 pages. So it's a very, very useful way to move your content around between the different pages. Another nice feature, another reason I like doing these projects, is that if I click on Send a Message to Members, I can very quickly send a message to every member of the project very quickly. So it's a great way to send them quick reminders about due dates, that kind of thing. Also, if I click on Members, I will get a drop-down list, which of course is not here right now, of all the members of the project. And if I click on any of their names, it will take me to their page, and then I can send them a direct message. So having everyone on the same project page makes communication very much easier. Finally, something that was just very recently added that I'm very excited about is, up until recently, all the content you created inside this platform stayed in this platform. And very recently, they've added the ability to now download the project. Now, it still takes a little bit of doing to get the project online where everybody else can see it. But you are now able to download it as a zip file. If you click download, then you will have to extract it, and you'll have to upload it to a server of your own, which is beyond the scope of this particular screencast. But when you do that, you will actually be able to access your projects outside of the ThinkQuest platform. So what I've been doing is I've been going through my projects looking for anything that shouldn't be outside the platform, and I'll take it out, then I'll download the project, and this is what it looks like. So these are all example projects which I have downloaded and I've linked to on this wiki page. So when I click on that, this will take you to a project which I did a few years ago, but it's now outside the ThinkQuest platform, and I can share it with the world.